Hello everyone, I'm Pukraj and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Golden Platter. We all know Mother's Day is coming on 9th of May. So today I'll be sharing with you a very delicious, interesting and a no-bake dessert recipe that you can prepare for your mom and surprise her on this Mother's Day. The recipe is very simple, very delicious. The name of the recipe is No-Bake Oreo Nutella Dessert Shorts. The name itself is so tempting and the recipe is superbly amazing and delicious. But before moving forward, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. Let's get started. To begin with, we'll start with the star of the show, that is Oreo cookies. I've taken a big bag of Oreo cookies and I'll be bashing them in a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin. You can even use your blender or mortar and pestle. We need to make it into small crumbs. So I'll be putting these Oreo cookies into this Ziploc bag. Use a rolling pin and bash these cookies. So now you can see that the Oreo cookies have been crushed very nicely. Don't worry about little tiny bits and parts of Oreo cookies. They are really nice when they come into your mouth. So we'll transfer them into a bowl. And we'll repeat the process with the remaining Oreo cookies. So the next step is whipping the cream. So I've taken heavy whipping cream in a bowl. And into this, just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. And we'll just whip it up till soft peaks are formed. So you can see that our cream has been whipped very nicely. So now I'll be transferring the cream into this piping bag lined with this nozzle. But if you don't have a nozzle, feel free to omit it and just use the piping bag. So now is the time to assemble our dessert. So I've taken a small glass, a short glass, and you can make this dessert in a big batch or in a big container as well. Small short glasses look really nice. So I'll be putting the crushed Oreo cookies at the base of this glass and using the back of a spoon or your hand, we'll gently press this to make a firm layer at the base. So our base layer is ready and now we'll be piping in the cream that we whipped earlier. And on top of this cream, we'll be adding a generous dollop of Nutella. If you don't want Nutella or Nutella is not available, then even you can use a chocolate sauce or fudge sauce or chocolate ganache instead. And we'll just spread it a little bit so that it covers all the sides nice and even. I just love the combination of Oreo cookies and Nutella, and this dessert will be absolutely mind-blowing. You can melt your Nutella a little bit, not for a long time if you want. And again, we'll be putting in layer of our Oreo cookies. I'm just using my hand. And just lightly press this one again. And again, we'll pipe it with the whipping cream. It's already looking very, very beautiful, and we'll garnish it with some bits of the crushed Oreo cookies, and we'll top it with a mini Oreo cookie. Look how beautiful this is looking. So our beautiful dessert is ready to eat. It is so beautiful and so easy to make. Look at all these gorgeous layers of Nutella, cream and Oreo cookies. This is absolutely mesmerizing. Now we'll repeat the process again with the remaining shots, and we'll prepare our desserts accordingly. So our very superbly delicious and easy to make Oreo Nutella dessert shots are ready to eat. You can see all the beautiful layers of Oreo cookies, cream, Nutella. It's absolutely wonderful. You have to try this recipe on this Mother's Day for your mom, and also let me know how you like it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and happy Mother's Day.